this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a vacuum cleaner I just got in. This is the Shark Freestyle cordless vacuum. You heard me right. This is 100% battery powered vacuum cleaner. And let me just kind of like go over some of the features of this vacuum cleaner. Number one, I got it in. It was super simple to assemble. You basically get, check that out, how it just goes onto this little charger pad right here, which has a kind of like a fast charge. I think it's set up to 4 hours to get it completely charged. This part snapped down into there, and all I had to do was add a screw right there and tighten it up. Phillips head screw, and you could see the handle that goes right here, and then it has a foot start on it that gives you bare floor, which is hardwood floors, or carpet. And I'm going to actually show y'all using it on both. I put some coffee grounds down and some cat litter, which would simulate, you know, having some stuff on your hardwood floor, and I put the exact same thing on my little carpet over there in my office. This does have brushes on it, and it has a headlight on the front, so this is a light right there. So you see how it looks right there? And the decibel meters is 80, so it's not super super loud. And one thing is, it's less than 10 pounds. My arms are straight out, and that's super simple to go. And watch this, everybody. This has a rotating, the head on this thing, or the handle rotates around like this. So let's go ahead right now. We got it on carpet. You see that? Now it's on what they're calling bare floor, which is hardwood floors. So let me just go ahead and show you doing some coffee grounds here. One pass, gone. Completely sucked it up with one pass. So let's do some kitty litter. Spread it out a little bit. Watch this, one pass. A little bit more left right there. And this is a bagless vacuum cleaner. I wouldn't normally vacuum a hardwood floor, but you know what? If you wanted to do it, you got it anyway. So now let's go ahead. When you hit it again, it turns off. Now it's on carpet. And I think what it does, it just lowers it down. So let's go over here to the carpet. Same deal, everybody. I sprinkled some kitty litter out, and I have some coffee grounds. So this is a complete mess when you look at it. And obviously some little dog hair in there. So let's go ahead. Let's put it on. It is on carpet, and let's see how well this thing works. It actually seems to get it better when you go back. And look how it rotates. This part right here rotates, so it makes it easy to make these turns like that. I am very impressed with this Shark vacuum. Shark is a brand that seemed to come out of nowhere for me. Wow, that just knocked that out like it was nothing. Now to take this off, you're gonna pull this off right here. Now let's go dump this and let's see what all's inside of there. I don't want to open it in here. And then you got a filter right here that needs to be cleaned from time to time. I'm outside. I'm going to go ahead and just dump it on the ground here. That was everything after just a few passes. Very impressed, and I like how easily you can take this thing on and off and clean it up. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Shark Freestyle battery powered vacuum cleaner. See y'all in the next video.